It looks like there's an aerator right on the outside of that grass line. There's one way out. Oh, there is one right there. Hell yeah. Oh, dude, look at him schooling. See that? Schooling right over there. I'm gonna try the old worm. It's gotta be good, man. Anytime you find an aerator in the summertime, that water is cool, it's full of oxygen. They're gonna love it. Well, dang. You would have thought there'd been one in here. Oh! Yeah, baby. Man. That's a good one, boys. Oh, God. Well, that was quick. Dang, he crushed it like a bat out of hell on that fluke stick. Good night. I was not expecting to get hit that hard. Jeez. Glad I was ready for it. Oh, he's on it. Come on. Man, he waked it too. Might have been oh, right here. Right here. Come on, baby, eat it. That's a fish. That's a fish. Come on. Yep. Yep. That's a good one. Yes. Yes, baby. Yes. Oh, boy. That's what I needed, son. Yes. That's a good one. Come here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's a good... Ow. That's a good one. I knew if I threw right under that tree, I'd get one. Come here, baby. Little speed worm action. Oh, yeah. That's fantastic. His body is super brown. It's a good 2 1/4. Nice. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, yeah. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one, boys. Come on. Come on. Oh, my God. Are you kidding me? This is why I hate kayak fishing, bro. Sometimes it's the only thing that you can do to get into a lake, and that's why I gotta do it. But geez, it's definitely not as easy as bank fishing because of how low you are to the wall. Oh wow, that's a big blow up there. There seems to be some fish over here. There seems to be some fish over here.
Get it.
Hold on, let's see if I can catch it with you on the phone. Dude, this grass line over here by these trees has been... Oh, I got him. It's good. It's, oh my God, dude, it's big. It's pulling drag like crazy. Oh God. Oh no, I lost him again. No.
Come on. We talked about this.
That's the second fish I've lost over here. Oh my gosh. And I'm talking to Alex on the phone here, boys. That's why I lost it.